The three giants of the internet are household names today: Google, Facebook, and Apple. Not only are these creators of apps and sites that many people frequent, but devices as well. This case study examines how these companies and their traits made them into technology giants. Compare the business models and core competencies of Google, Apple, and Facebook. Apple's business model relies on user-friendly devices like MacBooks and iPhones to accommodate the increasing reliance on the internet. Facebook is more based on users' content and posts to their site. Facebook is a way of connecting the world through the internet. Lastly, Google produces both internet platforms, tools, and devices in order to meet ever-changing needs. Why is mobile computing so important to these firms? Evaluate the mobile strategies of each firm. Google, Apple, and Facebook have all benefited from popularity of mobile computing. They take advantage of the entertainment, ease of use, and location flexibility that consumers desire. What is the significance of searching to the success or failure of mobile computing? How have Apple and Facebook attempted to compete with Google? Will their strategies succeed? In recent years, mobile computing has become increasingly more popular. It is likely that mobile computing could replace desktop computing in the near future. Apple and Facebook have attempted to compete with Google. Apple has its own Maps feature similar to Google that can assist users with navigation. Also, Facebook, like Google, has developed software to assess users' interests in order to show them more content that is more individualized. Which company and business model do you think is most likely to dominate the internet and why? I think Google is the company and business model that is most likely to dominate the internet. Google has not only a search engine, but social media platforms as well as tablets and phones. Google is able to provide consumers not only the tools they need on the internet, but the devices needed to use these tools. What difference would it make to a business or to an individual consumer if Apple, Google, or Facebook dominated the internet experience? Each company offers a different type of service with their products. Having the options of all three of these companies allow businesses and individual consumers to choose which services are right for them. Discussion questions. How many people use each company, and how have these companies worked together? It was reported that Apple has about 588 million people it sold its products to, Google has 1 billion monthly users, and Facebook has 2.7 billion people using their platform. Both Facebook and Google have apps that are available to download on the majority of the devices through the App Store. Apple, Google, and Facebook each offer different internet experiences to their users. Additionally, users can combine all of these companies and their features through apps in the App Store. Google, while it does generate a large amount of traffic, could drastically change the internet if it does become dominant.